So in this problem we have to prove that the product is less than 4. So first of all we calculate the value of this summation. The summation given is k की value 1 to n 2k divided by k की power 4 plus 2p minus 1 k square plus p square, and this whole square we have to calculate. So first of all we simplify the denominator. K की power 4 plus 2p minus 1 times k square plus p square. So here the term k की power 4 and p square and 2p k square. This suggests we can make the complete square out of it. So it will become k square plus p whole square minus k square, and you can factorize this k square plus p plus k multiply by k square plus p minus k in this way. So this become k square minus k plus p, and you can further rewrite this in this way: k plus 1 whole square minus k plus 1 plus p. We see that further why we write in this way. So the summation become k की value 1 to n 2k divided by, instead of this we can write this k square minus k plus p multiply by k square plus k plus p, and 2k we can write in this way: k square plus k plus p minus of k square minus k plus p, the difference of two term which is in the denominator. So this will become this. Now you can easily see that difference of two terms, summation k की value 1 to n 1 divided by k square minus k plus p minus 1 divided by k square plus k plus p. So now you can write this in this way: instead of this you can write k plus 1 whole square minus of k plus 1 plus p. Now you can see that here if you, instead of k, if here you put k plus 1, so this will become same thing. So again we make the difference of 2 to simplify our calculation of calculating the sum. So now the final answer of this, if you put 1 here, so this will become 1 by p, and instead of k you put n here, this will become this. Remaining all the term will cancel each other. So this is the final answer of this sum, and you can write this in this way: 1 by p minus take n plus 1 common, so this will become multiply by n this, and this quantity is always less than 1 by p, because n and p are some positive quantities, and if we subtract something positive out of 1 by p, then it will become less than 1 by p. So now the value of our summation k is equal to 1 to n 2k divided by k की power 4 plus 2p minus 1 times k square plus p square whole square is less than 1 by p square. So the product will become p की value 1 to n 1 plus 1 by p square. So now we have to prove that the value of this product is less than 1 by 4. So if you put p is equal to 1, then the first term will come 1 plus 1 by 1 square, and here p value 2 to n 1 plus 1 by p square, and this thing is less than, this value is 2, and if you put instead of p square minus 1, so you make this term bigger. 1 by p square minus 1 is greater than 1 by p square, so the overall product 1 plus 1 by p square minus 1 p value 2 to n is greater than this product. So you can see that this inequality is true, and now you can simplify this further. So this will become 2 times product p 2 to n 1 plus 1 divided by p square minus 1. So this will become p square divided by p square minus 1. You can rewrite this in this way: p divided by p minus 1 multiplied by p divided by p plus 1. And we have to calculate the product 2 to n, and finally we have to multiply it by 2. So you can rewrite this in this way: 2 times product p equal to 2 to n, p divided by p minus 1. Calculate this thing, and product p equal to 2 to n, p divided by p plus 1. So if you put p equal to 2, then this will become 2 by 1, 3, 3 by 2, and last p value n divided by n minus 1. So all thing cancel, remaining thing is n. So 2 multiply by n, and now you put here, this will become 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4, and 1 divided by, no, n divided by n plus 1. So all thing cancel, remaining is 2 and n plus 1. So 2 divided by n plus 1. So this will become 4 n divided by n plus 1. So you can rewrite this in this way: 4 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. So obviously n is some positive number, so 1 minus some positive, it will less than 4. So we have to prove this inequality. So in this way we can prove this. So if you find the problem interesting, then like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video.